Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. First of all, you have to press and hold the escape and refresh buttons on your computer, then short press the power button and keep holding these two together. After that you'll get to the recovery mode, which is also the boot mode if you want to boot and a Chrome OS image. To do that, you have to prepare a bootable USB flash drive using Chromebook Recovery Utility, and you can get to know how to make one in our video on how to install Chrome OS from USB on this particular laptop. And basically right now what you have to do in order to boot your device using it is insert your USB flash drive into one of the available USB-A ports of your laptop. Then the installation will begin automatically. If you want to interrupt it, remove your USB flash drive from your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.